Beautiful South Dakota day here. I got my father-in-law Dave. Say hi. Hi, Dave. And we're gonna change oil in this Ranger. So we have a 2.5 4-cylinder stick 2-wheel drive Ranger. Nice easy oil change here. The only thing you need is a 13 millimeter wrench and some ramps and creeper and a drain pan. So real easy. So we got our regular 530 oil here and a Wix filter, but the I think the Motorcraft number is FL400S, so anything will work. So this is just what we got today. We're gonna get to it. Slide underneath here. There's the exhaust, the rear end, that's the back of the vehicle, and right here on the bottom of the crankcase is the bolt you're gonna take undone here. Let this guy out. Try not to spill it all over everywhere. Okay, so the next thing is we're gonna get up in here. There's the oil filter. So we're there's the back of the vehicle. We're kind of like tucked up in there a little bit. And we'll get that sucker twisted off and pulled out, and we're just gonna let the crankcase drain a little bit here longer. Whoa! Okay, so now we're gonna take the oil filter down. Okay, so we got our filter set in the box like so. We got our oil opened up, and we're just gonna pour a little of this into the filter. I'm not gonna go too full. Most of that'll soak into the filter. But anyway, I'm not gonna go too full because it's gonna be on there sideways. So I'm gonna try and put it up without spilling too much. Be quick. See if I can get up here without spilling the rest of it. And we already put our drain plug back in. If you haven't done that, make sure you do that quick. And now we're ready to fill it. One of those deals where I forgot to hit record, but anyway, put the oil in, 5 quarts, right here on top. There's a little cap. You're looking for this guy, and fill it up. Okay, it's been sitting here for a while, and now we're drained out. I'm going to take my funnel and close the cap. And now we're going to back it off the ramps and check the oil. Alright. Good to go. So on a 2.5, here's where the dipstick is. So we've run the vehicle and given it, 20-30 seconds for the oil to drain back into the drain pan. So we'll pull it out, wipe it clean, put it back if I can, which I can, and then pull it out again and take a look. And we are in the cross hatching right there. Maybe it'll focus, maybe it won't. There we are in the cross hatching, probably 2/3 up. So looking good. So that's a job done. And we're ready for more miles. Hope this video helped you out. And thanks for watching. Bye. See ya. Bye.